Frustrated with your garage door refusing to open? You're not alone. Discover the hidden culprits behind this common issue. Power issues are often the first suspect. A tripped circuit breaker or a faulty outlet can leave your motor powerless. Broken springs are another major cause. A loud snap and a heavy door are telltale signs you can't ignore. Misaligned or blocked safety sensors can halt your door's movement, protecting you from potential harm. Worn or broken cables can leave your motor struggling. Frayed or hanging cables need immediate attention. Obstructions in tracks and rollers can stop your door in its tracks. Regular cleaning and lubrication are key. A worn-out opener gear might be the silent culprit. A humming motor with no movement signals gear trouble. Before calling a pro, try manual operation. If the door moves easily, the motor might be the issue. Professional repair ensures safety and efficiency. Experts diagnose, replace parts, and balance your door. Regular maintenance is your best defense. Lubricate, tighten, and inspect to keep your garage door running smoothly.